Hi ladies, we're here with Senior Executive Director Dana Barish, who just broke her record of a flash sale of over $60,000. And Dana, we just have to know, how did you do it?
So let me tell you about flash sales. I love a flash sale, and I remember trying to decide, do I do a flash sale? I don't even understand what this is. What's a flash sale? So I love whoever coined the term and started it. God bless you. It's amazing. And the nice thing about a flash sale is you can do it as a new consultant. You can do it as a seasoned consultant. You just do it on different scales. And so when you get a lot of flash sale tips, what I like to do is just tell my girls, just tailor it how it works for you. If you're new and you don't have any stock or you don't have a lot of customers, then you scale it down. There's ways to do everything. So as a new person, what I would tell you is to just tell your friends, family, neighbors, coworkers, hey, I'm going to run a summer blowout. It's going to be amazing on all of the hottest products. And I have this shave cream that is just world renowned. No more bumps, no more ingrown hairs, no more razor burn, no more stubble. And it just sounds like crazy. And you're going to love it. And I'm going to give you a deal on it. And no one else gets the deal. Here's the thing about flash sales. People want to be in on this top secret sale that's not out there to the general public. So you have to be in the know, right? So that's why as a new person, you could say, you know what, I'm going to start a little group because this sale is not for everybody. I'm only hooking you guys up. All right. So I'm going to start a little private group. We're going to do a little Facebook group, and I'm just going to move you in there. And you know what? Like anything good, you really should share the wealth. You should tell your friends. So I would love you to put some of your coworkers in there, your neighbors, anybody you think who would love a great deal on Coochie and Body Boost and Body Do. And I'll tell you what all the products do as a new person. And heck, I might even get my upline in there and she'll give us some videos, and we're gonna have so much fun. So that's how you could do it as a new person. As a seasoned person, I even find with flash sales, because the economy is so strong right now, people are just buying. Run a product of the week, run a product of the day, run a product of the month. These bundles that corporate's doing are just genius. And you can, kind of do a little version of that as well. Do this, sexy summer skincare bundle. There's so many things you can do right now with your business that will enhance your party planning business as well. So never put your parties off. I recommend you should have at least 2 a week, no less, because you just get out of the flow, and it's harder to get the momentum going. You always want to keep momentum going, especially in summertime. But if for some reason you find yourself in a lag or a lull, or you're like, oh my gosh, online, baby. I mean, there's billions and billions of dollars going into online business. Why aren't you taking a piece of it? Here's the thing. We have such a great product lineup. And here's what I like about the online products. They don't translate as great to parties. And I don't mean that in a bad way, but Shave Escape, I bet I could sell more online just because I can really, we can go 10 minutes about how awesome that one is, or Body Boost, whereas at a party, I'm trying to move it along. We've got a lot of products to go through, and they're, drinking, juggling food. So there's pros and cons to both. So use the pros for the online sales. So this summer it can be just like, you'd be like rolling in the dough. I mean, you saw what I did, and I still have so many customers still contacting me, and we're 3 weeks out from the sale, that want more stuff. I'm like, are you kidding me? You bought $500 worth of stuff. They're like, yeah, I want more stuff. I love that Kickstart. The Kickstart, by the way, is a gold mine. Kickstart, I could barely keep in stock. Shape Escape is, of course, insane. But things like your Body Boost, your cellulite cream, everybody's wearing shorts this summer and bathing suits and want to get in that body boost. I will tell you, Coochie was just the runaway hit. I do Coochie in volume, and I always do this at my parties as well. I like a 2 for special at a party. So 2 for, you buy 1 bottle, it's 20, but buy 2 and the bottles go down. They go down to $18 a piece or 17, whatever you want to do, because you want customers to fall in love with the product. I feel 1 bottle of something is not enough time for a customer to actually fall in so much love that she's committed to finding you, telling you she's out of the bottle, and needing a refill. Of course, we all know it's our job for customer care follow-ups to get those refill orders, but I know we all don't always do it. So the customers will come for you. I have one that always is like, I'm out of body boost. Oh my God, I am going away. It's always a panic situation. I'm like, I know you need 3 bottles. I'm on it. Like I literally have her order just taped to my wall because it's just every couple months, 3 bottles. But so in the flash sale, I offered a buy 2, get 1 for $1. So it was $41 for the trio. So it's like $12.60, I think, for a single. But I had people for the first time buying 6 packs and 9 packs because people want to stock up. Like I said, the economy is strong. Use it. People are ready to buy. It's a great thing to do. So I know the flash sales look like they're, all this, but just know you can do it on a small scale. You can do it on a big scale. You don't need to have stock. You don't even need to have a group. You don't need to have a ton of customers. Just start, but just do something. The bottom line is if you don't know what to do, at least do something.
For sure. Thank you, Dana. Now, we know parties are the heartbeat of your business, but social selling could do something very special for your business. And with some of these hot summer sellers, it's an easy way to make money. Dana, thank you so much for spending some time with us and giving us all your killer tips on your booking. Sorry, Dex, I need to redo that.
That's fine. Go ahead.
I think we're maybe. Dana, thank you so much. Now, we know parties are the heartbeat of your business, but social selling is super hot right now, and selling a lot of our summer favorites are going to make you cash quick this summer season. Dana, thank you so much for spending time with us today and giving us all your tips, and we can't wait to see you at National Training.